number 4 bus heading down Santa Monica Boulevard to Beverly Hills. I had such cabin fever sitting in my apartment. It never rains like this in LA, and then suddenly it rained like this in LA today. We've had major storms up north, and they're evacuating people in Montecito. I don't think they'll evacuate us down here. It's for a British person to complain about the weather is quite something, as you can imagine. Amazing. I like this garden very much. It's in the middle of Beverly Hills. It's called something like the Resnick Garden. If you drink pomegranate juice, you essentially paid for this. Linda Resnick, who is the founder of POM, made this garden possible. So this is what a native landscape looks like in Los Angeles. I'll show you through. It's a terrible day to show you because it's raining really hard, but I do like it. When I first moved to Los Angeles in 2001 from England, all of these places around Beverly Hills looked like something out of, I don't know, Surrey or Sussex in England, or the Cotswolds. It was green lawns that had to be watered every day, roses. But this is a native garden. The Beverly Hills Lily Pond has been here since 1915, when there were very few houses and just a lot of land. But the sign was here, a different sign. I believe this is a reconstruction to advertise the delights, which are not so delightful in the rain. But still, I really cannot complain.